Hi there, it's Joel at DesignFlow Labs, and in this video we are going to demo the new ShareFile project template for HR onboarding that will be available in the template catalog. So popping over to ShareFile, I've already got a project started, but again, this HR onboarding project will be available as a template in the ShareFile catalog, so you'll be able to come in, search the catalog, and install this template. And then what I want to do is I want to create a project. I'll be able to create it from the template that I've installed. Since I've already got one working here, we're going to use this just to walk you through the structure that will be included in the template itself. All right, so from our home page, we can see we've got a number of things in play in terms of onboarding a new employee from this ShareFile project. We've got a couple of different document requests. We've provided some files. If we come across the top here, we'll see we've got a list of tasks that we're going to need for the employee to complete. We've got two different document requests, one for personal documents and one for financial documents. Again, these are really helpful in providing a template and a structure to start with. Your process and your needs may be a little bit different, but again, the nice thing about these templates is they're very configurable, and we can configure things to the exact needs of your HR onboarding process. So for personal documents, we've listed out the I-9 form, a benefits enrollments form, and then a policy acknowledgement for IT. And then in financial documents, we're going to ask for a W-4, a state withholding tax form, and a direct deposit form. Now, coming over to information requests, what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to ask for key contact information in this case. So we're going to come over here and we're going to look at our questions. So you'll see here we're able to grab key contact information from our new employee, primary phone, secondary email. If we need to, we can grab date of birth, social security number. Again, all of this is configurable to your needs and your process. We're also set up to capture primary emergency contact as well as secondary emergency contact information. So in our example, we do have an I-9 file uploaded already for the employee to download and use. And what we've also done is we've also included in this template this table here called onboarding tasks. Now, we've already got some tasks set up here for our employee. These are things that we can see are assigned to our employee that are going to need to be completed. And those will be visible to our employee when they log in through their interface. But we've also got a list of internal onboarding tasks that we just want to track really simply here in our project. So what you'll get in this template is the structure of this table. You'll be able to, again, configure these columns as you see fit, but we've got a handful of different departments listed in here, our status column, our due date, and of course you can come add more columns as you see fit. In this example, we've got a couple of different internal tasks for IT, one new task for our hiring manager, and then a couple, 2 or 3 tasks here for our HR team. So again, just kind of giving you a little bit more information around some high-level milestones for an employee coming on board that the internal team will be responsible for. So again, this is a very consolidated, concise template that we're going to provide to the catalog. We feel it gives everybody a good place to start in terms of structure and in terms of understanding the different pieces of information that we can gather from our employees through our employee onboarding process, and the different tasks that we can assign and track both with the employee and with the internal teams as we go through onboarding any given employee. So stay tuned. This template, like I said, will be available in the ShareFile catalog, and we look forward to adding more as new features roll out.